Authentic Mexican Mocha Coffee recipe, spicy and sweet. Hola amigos, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and authentic Mexican Mocha Coffee. It's a perfect blend of spicy and sweet flavors that will warm you up from the inside out. So let's get started. Ingredients: freshly brewed coffee beans, cocoa powder, cinnamon sticks, chili powder, milk, sugar, optional, adjust to taste. Instructions. First, we start by brewing a strong cup of coffee. You can use your favorite brewing method, but I prefer a French press for that rich and robust flavor. Next, we add a teaspoon of cocoa powder. This will give our Mexican mocha a delicious chocolatey taste. Now, for a touch of warmth and spice, we'll add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of chili powder. Adjust the amount of chili powder based on your preference for spiciness. Smells amazing already, doesn't it? Now, let's heat up some milk. You can use any type of milk you prefer, dairy or non-dairy, it's up to you. Once the milk is hot but not boiling, we pour it into our coffee mixture. And if you like your coffee on the sweeter side, feel free to add some sugar to taste. I'm going to add a teaspoon of brown sugar for that caramelized sweetness. And there you have it, amigos. Our authentic Mexican mocha coffee is ready to be enjoyed. The perfect blend of spicy and sweet flavors in every sip. Absolutely delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Hasta luego. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.